Delta-Cast Soft is a semi-rigid polyester cast tape for the functional immobilization in the treatment of fractures and soft tissue injuries when limited movement is allowed, for indications where an offloading cast is required, such as diabetic foot ulcers. Define position of limb before start of application. Due to the semi-rigid properties of the Delta-Cast Soft, only minimal padding with a thin stocky net is required. If the patient has prominent bony areas, extra padding may be required. Choose appropriate width of stocky net that will fit snugly but does not constrict the patient's leg. Measure along the length of the foot, double up and cut. Roll up stocky net and roll it off over the foot and ankle. Fold back the surplus at the distal end. Apply padding between and around the toes and pull the stocky net back over the toes. Slide in the zip stick for safe cutting later on. Put on protective gloves before applying Delta-Cast Soft. Prepare a reinforcement strip with a rigid cast tape by measuring the length of the foot. Layer 4 times, cut and put aside. Choose appropriate width of cast tape and dip the bandage in water. Squeeze between 1 to 3 times in the water. Squeeze the water gently out to drain surplus water out of the bandage. Apply the synthetic cast tape, starting at the metatarsals, going distally, overlapping the synthetic cast tape over the toes. Then go proximally, up until the ankle, always overlapping by 50%. Then cut. Place the activated reinforcement strip under the foot and lock it down with a second roll of synthetic cast tape, applying it as before. Mold and smooth down the cast with the palm of your hands. Cut a piece of adhesive hook strap and place it onto the cast tape on the underside of the foot. For good lamination of adhesive hook to cast tape, wrap elastic bandage around the cast, using slight tension. Keep the bandage and the limb in position for around 5 minutes, until the cast and the reinforcement strip are set. Then remove bandage. Use a marker to draw desired cut lines on the cast. Cut along the zip stick and remove the cast. Trim the cast along the cut lines and edges for a good fit. Place Geisha show cast on patient. Trim any excess near the toes. Take off cast again. Apply fleece edger on the cast tape edges to get soft edges for a comfortable fit. Apply a doubled up fleece edger along the main cutting line to avoid the skin getting pinched. Place cast on the foot. Attach stretch loop to secure the cast. Delta Cast Soft by BSM Medical.